Welcome back to Immigration Talk Show. Today, we're talking about how paralegals play a critical role in managing H-1B visa employer documentation. This task is crucial because timely and accurate documentation helps speed up the entire petition preparation process. When an H-1B petition is being prepared, one of the first things paralegals do is coordinate with employers to gather all the necessary documents. These can include financial statements, tax returns, company profiles, and other essential information. Paralegals understand the importance of gathering these documents quickly, as any delay in receiving them can push back the filing timeline. Once the documents are in hand, paralegals ensure that everything is complete and accurate. They carefully review the financial statements and tax returns to ensure they meet USCIS requirements. Paralegals also work with the employer to ensure that the company profile is up to date and fully reflects the organization's operations, size, and capacity to employ the H-1B worker. Another important part of the process is making sure that all documents are submitted in the proper format and organized efficiently. Paralegals prepare these documents in a way that makes it easy for attorneys to review and finalize the petition. Their attention to detail helps prevent errors that could delay the filing or create additional work for the attorneys. In the end, paralegals help streamline the entire petition preparation process by managing the flow of employer documentation. They make sure that everything is gathered, organized, and reviewed promptly, so the petition can be filed on time and without complications. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.